Hello friends, today we will learn about action verb. Sleeping. She is sleeping in the cozy bed. Skipping. She is skipping happily in the playground. Thinking. She is thinking about what to draw for her art project. Eating. She is eating a delicious sandwich for lunch. Singing. The birds are singing sweetly in the trees. Reading. Kids are reading a colorful picture book. Painting. She is painting a beautiful rainbow. Running. He is running quickly around the garden. Sitting. She is sitting quietly on the chair. Drinking. She is drinking a refreshing glass of milk. Playing. The children are playing happily in the park.